Our working capital solution helps to free up cash and optimize your accounts payable and accounts receivable processes. Let's jump in. The Overview dashboard brings together information across AP and AR, such as payment term changes, the automation rate, the percentage of rework, and savings potential based on several scenarios. Every dashboard has dynamic filters and statistics about the data presented. Let's exclude intercompany contacts. This leaves us with 941 million receivables across 226 customers and 632 million payables across 126 suppliers. Many of our clients struggle with cash flow predictability, misaligned payment terms, process interventions, off-cycle and manual payments, and challenges adhering to contracts and regulations. Before you are key insights into accounts receivables. The top shows the filters and key values. Below are performance indicators such as the percentage of open invoices, credit notes, and bad debt, where baseline dates or payment terms were changed or where documents are future dated, all impacting customer invoice due dates. We can see days sales outstanding, invoices over time, and by customer or by GL account. The two pie charts show what's paid early, on time or late, and on what days invoices are cleared. All graphs are interactive. Selecting late payments immediately updates all the charts. Selecting support-related invoices shows a higher credit note ratio. We have similar dashboards for payment term use and payment days, providing clear insight into what is used where, for what customer, and where this might need attention. Making a selection, like the spike for 48 days, shows me 55 invoices. I keep the selection and going to the Receivables Invoices dashboard gives me the details. From here, there is the option to export to Excel. The automatically generated process flow immediately shows the process steps taken and time involved. I can add additional paths and show the time between events. You can immediately see the 48 days and 47 days to pay. I can select any event to include or exclude, or any path, combination, or particular order of events. This is super powerful to effectively find improvement areas. For example, I can select everywhere where the baseline date or payment term clock start was changed. Now, probably the most interesting is considering some scenarios for cost savings. The scenario dashboard gives the option to assess how a change would impact your bottom line. We set the interest rate to 7% and the compliance rate to 50%. In this scenario, we're saying that we get 50% of the customers who are now paying us more than 3 days after the due date to pay us on time. This is a direct savings purely from the interest of $215,000 for the period under analysis. We can also assess what the impact is of changing a payment term. Changing all customers on a 45-day term to a 30-day term would deliver a $100,000 saving. Now, this might not always be easy to implement, but you have clear visibility of the benefit to be gained. Also, on the AP side, there are similar scenarios to consider. And while this demo doesn't have inventory, holding costs and days inventory outstanding analyses can be added. The Payables Insight dashboard shows us a challenge with timely entering invoices into our system, and where we've had issues paying our small business suppliers on time. The process flow easily shows us approval steps and where invoices were manually cleared. Similar to the accounts receivable scenarios, we can see a gain of $139,000 if we just wouldn't pay suppliers 2 or more days before the due date, and $1.5 million if we push out payment terms with suppliers from 30 to 45 days. As shown, our solutions help to optimize cash flow, improve compliance, and apply automation effectively. We deliver full process transparency to support you with the right decision-making. We create the live data feeds for continuous insight and provide the support for your team to get the most out of their financial processes. When interested, I invite you to schedule a 30-minute call to discuss your situation and ambitions.